Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. So after teaching mathematics for a few years now, I have observed a few of the common mistakes that students make in mathematics, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 3 of them. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel right now. Go ahead. Okay, hope you did. Okay, let's go to this class. A few of the common mistakes, and I hope you will not make them yourself in the future after watching this video. The first one is the following: 3x plus 4 over 8, for example, a fraction. A lot of students might do the following. They will think, okay, 4 and 8, we can simplify 4 and 8, divide both of these numbers by 4. So what they will do is divide this, divide that by 4, 4 becomes 1, 8 becomes 2, and then they'll just write 3x plus 1 over 2. This is wrong. This is not allowed. We cannot simplify only these two terms. We have to simplify the 3 as well, but since we cannot divide this 3 by 4, this does not happen. This is wrong. But on the flip side, if we had something like this, 10x plus 6 over 20, let's say. Now look on these numbers, 10, 6, and 20. All of them are divisible by 2. So let's divide this by 2, 5, 6 by 2, 3, 20 by 2 is 10. That means it's 5x plus 3 over 10. This will be correct, but that is not. Okay. An extension of this will be the following example. So let's say 5 plus x squared over x. Some students might do, okay, there's x squared, there's x, let's simplify by x. X squared just becomes x, the bottom x just becomes 1. So they'll write 5 plus x over 1. No, we cannot do this. We cannot simplify only 2 terms. We have to simplify all of the terms that there are on the top and on the bottom. Okay, so this is not allowed. This is wrong. So that does not simplify. It just stays like this. It does not simplify. Okay, so the next example will be the following. That was the first type of the mistakes. The second type of mistake has to do with the exponents. So x to the power 4 times x to the power 3. A lot of the students will just write x. Okay, 4 times 3 here is x, 12. No, this is not correct. When we have multiplication and we have the same numbers here, x and x, we have to add the exponents. So the answer will be x4 plus 3 is equal to x to the power 7. Okay? Please don't do this mistake yourself. Okay, so the last type of mistake is very simple, the arithmetic mistake. So let's say 4 minus 7. Some people will just write, okay, minus 3 or something like that. But the answer is minus 11. Right? Minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11. What about this? Let's say minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 will be negative 5. Some people will just write some weird answers. What about this? Minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9 is the same as 9 minus 2. It's 7. Okay? So a lot of the mistakes happen here, and hope you will not do those mistakes. Okay, so these were the mistakes that I have observed as a teacher of mathematics. If you like this video, please put the like button, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you for watching.